playing with and testing out the concealer in the The stars have aligned. I was meant to be on this planet to try Jeffree Star's Magic Star concealer and powder. It's all meant to be. So I am going to do my makeup as normal, but I'm going to put everything on first and we'll give it a bloody go. So I'm so excited. So if you want to keep watching and see what I think about this concealer that may or may not, but probably may, is going to maybe change my whole entire life, then keep on watching. Okay, hi guys. Oh wow, okay. Last video I was saying that I had quit sugar. That went out the window. I've already primed. I put Prime Time on by Bare Minerals. See ya. And now we are going to put on this ugly ass sponge, whoever made this, whatever. I'm gonna put on some NARS. I use this foundation literally every single day. This is the only thing that actually works for me and my lifestyle, okay? So I am going to just, as usual, just put about 70 pumps, and I'm just going to just quickly canvas my face. So I want to see how good it is, if it's going to replace my Shape Tape, my current favourite concealer to use always and forever in every single routine that I do. See, look how bloody good this foundation is on me. I'm sorry, let's just like bow down to NARS for a second. The concealer that I use every single day, day in, day out, is Shape Tape. There has not been another concealer that has won my heart like Shape Tape has. Sorry, I need two hands to cover my entire forehead. If anyone would like to advertise on my forehead, please let me know in the comments down below what you would like advertised on my forehead, because I am now putting in application forms and you guys can now advertise whatever you want on my forehead. If you don't like foundation lips, you can click out of this video, because I like to keep them on because it makes my lipstick stand out heaps more better. For some reason, it just does. So here I am, face full of foundation. We are now going to go in with the Magic Star concealer. Okay, I put a very sad story. As I was getting my concealer out, the little star broke off. Like, it completely snapped off. And when I heard the snap, I was like, oh, I know what that is. And sure enough, it was the bloody little star. So like, I'm kind of sad that I don't have the full package, but you know, like, the product is all here, don't worry about it, it's not broken. But like, the top part I'm a little bit sad about. There was a beautiful star that came with it, but it crumbled off, so I'm really sad. I got shade C3. I think this is going to be way too pale for me, but we're going to give it a go. We're going to see. I'm quite pale, but I'm not super duper pale. I'm not the white shade, so I'm just going, oh my god, I haven't even opened it before. Look at this. So the wand, what I love so much about this, see the middle part? That is full of concealer. So I could swipe this 400 million times, because there is like a little wedge of just pure product. Okay, now I'm just gonna put it, oh my god, it actually matches. No, I think this is actually a good, oh my god, and it goes right into the corner. It is so smooth. Putting this is an experience. Holy shit, this is such a religious experience. If church doesn't give you that kick that you're looking for from Jesus, I recommend going in with this. It smells like makeup, you know what I mean? Doesn't smell like anything. Oh my god. What the heck? I've still got so much product left. What the heck? I haven't dipped. I haven't gone back and dipped. I'll let you know when I dip. Oh my god. Okay. The consistency is not thick. To me, it feels really like thin, but it's very opaque. I'm gonna dip back in now for the first time. First time in its life. Oh my god. And I'm just gonna go and do my forehead. Oh my god, this is my favorite doe foot applicator. I've never experienced anything like this. So now I'm putting it back, I'm putting it away. Also, the shade range for this is great. There is so many beautiful, he has gone through the whole spectrum. No one is going to be missing out. And apparently there is going to be more skin tone colors and correctors coming out, and I'm just so excited for it. I'm now gonna blend this out. Oh my god. This is just, I can't believe what I'm saying. Oh my god, it's taken away all my pores. Oh my god. I just go up my nose. Have I ever, serious question, have I ever been this flawless? Up close. You can't see my freckles. Literally no concealer does that. No concealer that I own covers up my freckles. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, I look amazing. Now I am going in with the powder. I'm gonna set my eyes. Just in case they crease, I am gonna go in with the powder. So this is the powder here. And people are saying it's pink, but I totally think it's red. It's like a chrome, and I unfortunately already lifted up the sticker because I could not help myself because I was desperate to smell. This smells absolutely beautiful. It is so good. And so what you do is you just twist this like that, and I'm just gonna put a little bit into the pan. I did not get translucent. I bought the fair one. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with this itty bitty little tiny ass bitch ass little sponge, and I'm gonna go under my eye. Oh my god, it smells so good. You have no idea. Far out. How did he do that? Okay, now I'm taking my bigger one, my big boy, and I'm just going to do the whole cheek. That has melted into my face. He really did that, guys. I'm just gonna use this ugly ass brush from Morphe by who? Oh yeah, Jeffree Star. Nothing much. And I'm just going to dust this off because I don't like to bake for too long because my skin's quite dry at the moment. Okay, so now I'm just gonna do my makeup really fast. You can watch me do that if you want, or if you want to skip forward, you are more than welcome to. But I'm gonna quickly just do my makeup and we'll have a little chat at the end and what I think about everything. Okay, let's get started.
And it just might be the only thing that
So as I was putting my makeup on, I just could not believe how easy it was. It's like the concealer and the powder made everything easier to put on, like for face and stuff. So like for my bronzer, can't even really see it, I used a really light bronzer, I mean contour, and like my blush, it just seemed, everything seemed to go on so so much smoother and so much nicer, and I don't know why, it just did. It just felt amazing to put on. Oh my god, just look under my eyes. I look like a porcelain doll. Like, I cannot get over it. So my final thoughts are that this has changed my literal life, okay? Honestly, I have not been so impressed by a concealer in such a long time. Like, Shape Tape has taken my heart and soul. Probably still use it to this day, but this is coming absolutely everywhere with me. I don't think I can live without this, and I was quite shocked that I got my shade so perfect. I really like how I look right now, because I was really nervous, like, oh my god, should I get like C1, C2, and then I was like, is that too pale? To be honest, I really wanted C5. I think C5 would have been perfect for me, but I am wrong. This is absolutely perfect for me, and I just cannot believe it. But this was just a movement. It was literally putting it on your face. I have never felt anything like it. It didn't feel thick, it didn't feel, it just glided on like my face was like a slip and slide. It was perfect, and it didn't run, and I took my sweet ass time blending it out, as you saw, like, because I was chatting the entire time, and it just blended out, and I cannot see any of my pores. Even on my nose, like, I can't see any on my nose. Like, I am absolutely shocked. This is just amazing, and for $22 US, that is a steal. That is literally, I honestly, hand on heart, I thought these were going to sell for like $40, and I still would have bought it, because I was like, I know it's going to be amazing. But I did not realize that for something so inexpensive, because I find that this is for a luxury, because I find Jeffree Star quite a luxe brand. For a luxury brand, this is just, I think he should raise the prices. It's just too good. The only letdown is the star came off, but I mean, that's just how, you know, that's just how it looks. I don't really care. But the product, like, can you look at me? Like, I look photoshopped. I literally look photoshopped. I cannot get over it. And the powder, okay, so at first when I was putting it on, I was like, oh my god, it's getting a bit like clumpy, you know, like it's getting a bit, but as I dusted it off, no clumps whatsoever. So I was so happy with that. And the scent is a candy floss flavor, and I can't smell it now, but it was just a hint of candy floss, and it was just, oh, I need to smell it again. It is just so beautiful. Oh god, it just smells so nice. What a movement. But yeah, I didn't get translucent, I got fair, and the reason why I got fair is because I seriously think I'm going to use this to put all over my face as a setting powder, because I knew it was going to be amazing as well. I just had this gut feeling. Have never felt this good in makeup in a really long time. I fully 100% recommend, and I'm not just saying this because I literally love Jeffree Star so much, but literally the proof is in the pudding. Look at my face. I have never looked this good in such a long time. Literally, Jeffree has made me feel pretty, and that is like, I have felt so ugly for so long, and he's fine, like, he's made me feel really pretty, and I feel so amazing in this get up right now. I've got blood sugar all over my eyes, I've got Leo on my lips, highlight, which is just absolutely beautiful from the Northern Lights palette. I just feel bloody gorgeous. I'm just sitting here waiting for the foundations now. Honestly, I am just so content and so happy. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, enjoyed my review, and I hope that you have learned something, or this has helped you in any way, shape or form. I'm just so excited and just so happy with this launch. This is just amazing. I messaged Jeffree, I private messaged him going, you go girl, something like that. I was like, well done for another amazing thing. I love messaging him and being like, good on you, well done, this is amazing, because I think people forget just to say, look bro, you're doing amazing, you are doing incredible, like, well done.